Hello friends, welcome to IICE. This is Naresh Raj and today's discussion about use of subplot command in this MATLAB. First we discuss about what is subplot and what is subplot command, how can we use this command. Okay, let's see. Start.
For the use of subplot in MATLAB, we use in this subplot command. Now first we see how can we use the subplot command. Write subplot, and in this first write a row number and next it column that we want to use to plot the graph, and the position and next in this figure you are seeing that this in this is a one row and 3 column. How can we write this to plot the graphs on the MATLAB? So see subplot, what is the row number is 1 and what is the column 1 2 3, then write 3 and position. If we want to plot the graph on this position, then we write in this 1, and on the next we will plot the graph on the second position and write 1 row, 3rd column, and the position number is 2nd. The graph will be plotted on this second position. And if we want to plot the graph on the next position, then we write subplot 1 row and 3rd 3 column and position number is 3. The graph will be plotted on this graph. And next, if we want to divide the figure in this type, then in this we see that the row number is 2 and the column is 1. Then how can we write this? See subplot sub plot, row number is 2 and column is 1 and that position, if you want to plot the graph on this position number 1, then the graph will be plotted on this position. And now next, if we want to plot the graph on the second position, then we write a subplot 2 row 1 column and the position is 2. Now this process we will see on this MATLAB. Okay, let's start. In this video we take a new script file, and in this we will plot the sine wave and cosine wave on these two different figures on this MATLAB, and in next third the combination of sine and cosine wave we will plotting. Okay, let's see. First we assume the time t equal to 0 to 1. The spacing between these is a 0.01. Next the frequency we assume the 5 Hertz, and next the variable is a, in which we stored a sine value of the sine 2 pi f into t, and next variable is b, in this assign a value of cos 2 pi f into t. And now we divide the area of the figure, then we use a command subplot. We are using the row 3 and column is 1 and the position is 1. in this area we want to plot this sine wave. Then the sine wave is stored in A and with respect to t, and next we divide the area, subplot, and write 3 is a row and 1 is a column, and the position number is 2, and on this the position number 2 we want to plot the cosine wave. Then we use a plot command and write v on the with respect to time, and next assume the subplot, and next is the row 3 column 1 and the position number is 3, and at this position we want to plot the graph of this combined graph of the sine wave and cosine wave. We use in this t comma a, this and t comma b, this, and next we are giving the title of this each block and write title sine wave, and next we write title cosine wave, and next we write title combination of a sine and cosine wave. See, now we have write the code of this waveform and we will run this. First we will have to save this, and we save this file, and now we will run this. Here you are seeing that this is the graph of the sine wave at the first position and the graph of the cosine wave at the second position, and the combination of sine and cosine wave is plotted on this position of the third. Let's see. In this video we see that how can we plot the graph different figures with the help of subplot command, and next in this next video we will see plotting graph using MATLAB. Okay, thank you.